Formato Nunzio la flexibility operatoria da dollar metal.
Bran, go into Windows and turn the gain all the way up.
Oh wait, this is my favorite. I'm gonna start recording like this.
Please don't.
Hey guys, how do I sound now? Does this sound better? Wait, is this mic working correctly? Good to you?
Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to stop.
Mike.
What does this color make you think of? A warm summer's day.
Guys,
Smiling child.
my microphone stopped working for
How does it
some
make you
reason.
feel now?
You know,
It's
guys,
being really weird.
I miss Josiah. And, it's like I can still hear his voice off in the distance.
Guys. Hello.
But I felt like a joke.
You've joined the PlayStation 4 home screen, apparently. Oh my god, look, it's tea comfy.
Oh,
Or is it?
It's yeah.
You see.
Am I awake right now?
Are we done?
I don't think we are.
Josiah, we've moved past the ear rape. Now we're on to the ambient trance music.
Oh, okay.
Trans music. We don't do that.
Trans? Did you mean trains? Only Thomas in my house.
Thomas loved to go down the tracks. He loved to go. Oh no! He loved to go move the rocks with his friend Percy. Oh, we be strumming. Sometimes I lay awake at night and I wonder, am I okay? Is this life? Or is this all a figment of someone else's imagination? Am I just in one big tea comfy skit? But that's what it's all about. I'm hearing MIDI percussion sounds. It's beautiful. Take me around the river of life. Hit that funky drum, Daddy-O. Don't you feel that blue down in your soul? Ooh, now we're getting a taste of a little bit of orange. Add in a little bit of polka dot. Ooh. This is a cry for your inner soul. I'll be back.
Am I supposed to want to kill myself right now?
Look inside yourself and ask yourself, do I want to do this today? Am I ready to face the world? And you're gonna find, brother, the answer's no. No, don't stop the music. We ain't having none of that. You gotta paint the pretty little trees, through the clouds in the sky. Your emotional state is all twisted and curvy. Well, it's twisted and curvy. We gotta straighten it out. We gotta funnel them feelings down out, through the buttocks. Gotta. This review from the hymnals. We shall sing. Where is it? You know what? I don't need it. My brothers and my sisters, we are gathered here, and today we have our guest speaker. He will bring about the reckoning. I present to you, Brother Comfy.
Brother Hawk, I'm here to us today with the presence of a prophet, not a prophet who speaks in words, but a prophet who riles about retribution for the coming of our God is upon us, and us, the congregation, we are not of mind, we are not of body, and we find ourselves not quite of soul. And to that I say, he is coming.
Preach it. Well, thank you, Brother Comfy, for that rousing speech. Remember, he is coming. The time is here. Are you ready? Oh,
What was any of that?
oh, we're done now? We're done. We're done.
Is that it? Are we done? Are we done with the bit?
That was